you know, hold on, that's my go-to. Hey, I got famous off that. We still eating gas station chicken. I'm eating noodles right now.
Hey, 221.
3 days stuck in the
We got 223.
Yeah, for real.
Boom. Suck my dick.
And we drilling in that Southside baby Granville on my back. Let him get a patch of the steel in the back. Don't worry, little baby, you still getting whacked. Ayy, and we tap shit. No tar shot, baby, we patch it. Long live Lil Steve for the cap shit. All the Twitter talk turned him to cap. I was that bitch, and we still getting busy. Head tap, and we still getting litty. Bad little shit, he still so pretty. We go skull whole gang get gritty. Ayy. Post A block, when I catch Lil T, makes face hot. Finna turn his white tee to a tank top. All that talking on the gram, now he man's not. He got red dots, and I still be pimpin'. New Glock, old clip, still hold pippin'. 33 rounds, she still be trim. But Paul my phone, he still be tippin'. Like we're legit. He still been missed, ain't slid 3 years, I still ain't missed. Pass me the blade, don't forget stick. Getting walked down and be twitching this bitch. Instead of be yelling, I tried, bro. Till they free little titty. He the one that get busy. Call him a fidget, he spin till he dizzy. Walk down game, John Wick, no kizzy. Pray to the Lord, they gave bruh 50. When he get out, we back on the scale. 17 shells if it run in your mouth.
So on that bitty gang, that shit they shot it on my brother neck. He catch a face shot, you know the Drake hot. I'ma just shoot till I see nothing left. Bro in the kitchen, just call him a chef. Shorty, you thought she gon' give up the neck. They sending shots, we sending shots, but them chicken still ain't hit nothing yet. I ride around with a 30 on me. We carry Glocks, these got switches. I can't look at these rap little numbers against clap me, and you know I'm still tipping. He gon' duck from that cut sound, you know it's up now. Yeah, we gon' kill all you. Most these people getting mad about shit. You know shit, how you get in your feelings. Hey, he's picking down D money, he thinking something ain't just wait till I catch him. He catching bullets like Odell Beckham, he doing that distance, so we have to stretch him. This that switch, bitch, he get switch quick. Ain't no reason to do all that running. We hawk shit this time, you know how I'm coming. I big game money, you know how I'm bumming. Hey, we still smoking on dead outs. If I catch D money killer, I'm catching a headshot. Beam on the Glock, I'm in love with the red dot. Once we go murders, cause you know the feds hot. Hey, shorty a smoochie, see me in public and act like she knew me. I don't love shit, that's this a dub. She see my mirror, now she tryna fuck up the game.